61A, lecture number 18. Announcements. The ANTS project is due next Thursday. There's a checkpoint of phases 1 and 2 that you have to complete by Monday. And you can earn an early submission bonus point by turning in the whole project by next Wednesday. Homework 6 will be published tonight. It's also due next Thursday. It's actually only half a homework. I've split up homework 6 into homework 6 and 7 due next Thursday and the following Tuesday, just so that you don't have too many problems due on the same day as the project. So there's only going to be a couple of problems on homework 6, and that means that you could probably finish it on Thursday if you just finished the ANTS project on Wednesday, earning your early submission bonus point. Next week, we're going to be covering concepts in lab right after they're covered in lecture. We do this to make sure that everybody's prepared for the upcoming midterm 2 on March 15th. So please make sure that you watch or attend lecture on Monday before you go to lab next week. That way you'll have an introduction to the topics that you'll be working on in lab, and I think the lab assignment will go much more smoothly.